flytbase team. I am Akash Bihar and I am applying for AI engineer role. And I got an assignment on the topic drone security analyst agent. I built this. I built this prototype to demonstrate it. So this is the basic layout where here on the live section you can use your camera or webcam for live analysis of the frame, and on the retriever here you will be able to retrieve relevant frames using queries. You can use natural language for retrieving frames related to what you want to look for, and you can see the frame data too. These data are stored in ChromaDB with a with also store. It also contains embedding through which we will be able to retrieve data. This is the about page about whatever I use in this project and few other details. I planned of building this new feature, but skipping this due to the limitations. Now I will be demonstrating the live example. Let me reset everything. Once I click play live, it starts streaming. Since yeah, now since it found a person and a bike, it gave us a warning and added extra numbers to the amount of time or the amount of frame it found this specific alert in. You can see the details to here, the confidence level, what kind of thing they found, etc. And here you can see live logs. Here VLM means visual language model. It how this works is it captures the live footage, converts it into images, passes it into the VLM, and it the VLM generates a summary. That summary uh, is utilized with the LLM to extract data and utilize tools for generating these alerts, warnings. Uh, that's how this entire project works. So let me stop it here and show you how the retriever works. So let me give a query frames with person. So here out of let me out of 33 frames, we found 30 frames which have people in it. So let me show. Here you can see each VLM summary clearly mentioned here, including the detected thing in the frame. This was my presentation. And to make it easy for you to test, I have included few videos in the project which you can directly click and run on this project. So let me select a second video. So here the process has been started in the event log. Now since the initiation, it found a car and it detected other cars and human standing here. And You can find this project in the GitHub repository. And thank you. Thank you for your time.